What's happening, my Infinite One? Thanks for tuning into my frequencies. It's your boy Long, man. Today we're going to E-Boy City to check out downtown Tampa. So let's go. I'm gonna take you guys with me on this trip. We're gonna trip together. There's a police right in front of me, so I'm feeling a little sketched out. He got his light on and shit. But if I do run from the if I do run from the police, I'm going to record it. I'm gonna get this shit on tape if I do run from him. But on the other hand, we're just gonna cruise and talk about some motivational stuff. And the inspirational message of today is consider things from every angle. Don't give up, don't give in, don't let that damn thing get you down. That's what it is. Never give up, don't let that damn thing push you down. Always stay up, stay vibrating high, vibrate at a high frequencies. I always vibrate at an enlightenment frequency because I'm always amazed on like the world that we live in. Oh, that's an oil spot right there. That was dangerous. I'm always amazed of the essence of the world that we live in, so I'm always vibrating at a high vibrational frequencies. And don't give up, don't let the damn thing get you down. It's all about not giving up. Don't let other people's opinion or criticism pull you down. Always stay up, baby. Always keep going, always keep grinding. Yeah, we almost here. The cop is acting a little sketchy, so I might just pass him right here. Like everybody's going all slow and shit. Everybody's doing the speed limit and shit. Typically we don't do the speed limit down this road, man. So right now everybody is fucking doing the speed limit and shit. Everybody's doing the speed limit. We were kind of scared to pass this cop. I think he's following the car right in front of us. So but yeah, you guys for tuning into my frequency and just stay positive all the time. It's like the downtown New York, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy. There's gonna be a lot of weird shit going on. Oh, gas barrel is popping off, huh? I think gas barrel is popping off right now. So it's gonna be a lot of shit going on. Let's go. I forgot gas barrel was today. Police. A lot of police out here tonight, man. A lot of police. So we're just gonna bust it right here. Let's go, baby. Damn, it's packed out here. Look at all the lines and shit. Damn, I might just pull over and hit the club. There's a lot of ladies out tonight. Look at that. Woo. All over. Got girl all over. All over tonight. We got girl all over. Girl got. Damn. Look at this club. Look at all that fresh meat. here though. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, my favorite restaurant, Bernini. It's crazy because that restaurant, it's like a fancy restaurant, but it's in the middle of Ybor City, and you see a lot of homeless people. It's such a weird like combinations. Like you eating fancy food, watching crackheads just falling over the floor and just fucking laying on the ground, fighting with their dogs and shit. It's so different. Oh, look at all the supercars over there. Very nice, very nice. Oh, that's one of my favorite clubs. All the ladies right here. Ladies. There's this one club, it's like specifically just for women. And it's like really cool. People out here are super cool. They just want to hear shit. They just want to tattoo place. We got the restaurant right here. Oh, this one. What's this one? The name of this one? The name is Rock Palace Greek restaurant. The Greek food and wine and shit. Yeah, that was a vibe. That was a vibe. I really had a good time just cruising through Ybor. There was a lot of shit going on, man. A lot of shit going on. I didn't even know what the hell to look at. It was too many shit to look at. Yo, man, people out here will get you in trouble. They want you to rev your engine and shit. There's like police officer just waiting in the corner and shit. Just ready to like pull your ass over. Pull your ass over and take you to jail, man. Police officer out here scouting. I just literally ran from the cops. I ran a stop sign and the cop, he put his light on. I took a right and I got on it and like he stopped chasing me. But I swear to God, I didn't get it on tape, but that shit was so intense. So I ran a stop sign, right? I did not see the cop was on the other side. And I literally ran the stop sign and I didn't even see the stop sign. Like, he put his light on and I just fucking took off. That was fucking insane. I thought he was gonna chase me, but he turned his light off like when I took off. That shit was crazy. I was just talking about running from the cops too. I was like, if I run from the cops, I'm gonna get it on tape for you guys to see. But unfortunately, my heart was pumping so fast, and I was like, I'm not gonna stop for this cop because I don't want to go to jail tonight. And yeah, literally ran a stop sign. Cop put his light on. I was like, nah, I ain't gonna stop, man. I'm running. Guys, I'm on the expressway. And my bike just shut off on me all of a sudden. It felt like the power got cut off for a second. I don't know if you guys saw that. That shit was weird. But yeah, I still got a lot of battery life left. See if I can get into some races. I think I want to race this guy. This bored as fuck right now, bro. There we go. That was a good content. Yeah, that was super fun. Now, I knew I was gonna win though. That Mustang is too damn heavy. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice. Oh, I just want to record this bridge that I'm on. It's like so beautiful. Look at all like the lights, right? It's so cool, right? So beautiful out here. This is actually the expressway. So, wow. It's so dreamy and like fantasy looking. It's so cool. I love this road. It's like it feels so good.